Hello everyone, this is Pritam Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Cognitive Coders. So today in this video we'll learn how to use GroupBy aggregation function in Spark Data. Okay. It's basically how to use the aggregation function on GroupBy data. Okay. So you see the function and we will get clear understanding. So I have already created one data frame here. So here I have used the help function to understand the aggregation function. So if we have the built-in aggregation function we already have, it is mean, max, count, sum. Okay, as we all know. Okay. If you don't know, please do and watch my earlier video so that you will get understand what is the aggregation function, what kind of aggregation function we are supposed to use. Okay. But here uh, here we will use this aggregation function directly. Why? So if from this data frame, if we want to sort in our data frame, if we want to get one data frame where the minimum marks students will be there. So what we will do? We'll write the code like this. Here we'll group by the country column, and after that we will use the minimum function for getting the minimum marks. So now I can now I'm getting from India minimum marks is 22. US it is 24, the amount is 14, UK it is 18. Okay, now for the max we can use the max function. Yeah, but we can use this mean and max function different type. ये basically mean and max function को हम separately use कर रहे हैं पर अगर मैं चाहता हूँ तो ये मीन मैक्स को एक साथ भी यूज कर सकता हूँ सेम डेटा फ्रेम में तो उसको कैसे करें so if we want to use the mean max, this kind of aggregation function in a single data frame at a single time, then how will do? So for that purpose, we need to use this aggregation function okay, on this group by data. Okay. We want our data group by country, so it will be the same as like earlier. Okay. We need to use the aggregation here. So I have already imported count and max function from spark.sql PySpark.sql function. Okay, now use the aggregation function. Now we can use count star after the count for getting the count the students from each and every country. After that, I want the maximum marks uh, from each country the students have already got. So each and every country से जो maximum marks students है maximum marks मिला है वो वाला students को चाहिए तो उसके लिए मैक्स फंक्शन का यूज किया मैंने यहाँ पे और उसके बाद यहाँ पे बी फंक्शन का यूज करूँगा फॉर मिनिमम मार्क्स पाने वाला स्टूडेंट तो देखते close the bracket and another one. what kind of data we will get. Let's see. There is an error. Let me check what is the error. Why we are getting the error? Minimum map. Let me check. Let me check once again. Okay, I forgot to close this in market for my friend. Now it is okay. Now so this is our main data frame, and after using the group by aggregation, we are getting this. From India we have 3 students, from US we have 3 students, Germany we have 2 students, UK we have 2 students, and from India the maximum mark the students whatever the student got is 45, from US it is 46, Germany it is 31, and page is 42. And from India the minimum mark should be got 22, from US it is 24, Germany it is 14, UK it is 8. If you want to change the name, you can use their alias function. Same from okay. Market comma minute. Now the column name will change. Same. I think you have understood the concept. It's a very simple concept and it's very much useful concept. Please do the hands-on for more clarity. Okay. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please do like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay. I'm continuously uploading the videos, and please go to this video. It will be very much useful for those students who want to learn PySpark and who want to pursue your career in data engineering. Okay. So please do like, share, and subscribe. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and support us. Okay, your support is really much required for doing this challenge. Okay, thank you for watching my video.